Well, it's time to announce the beginning of the Alaska A to Z live stream series. Here are some dates for that. Here's some dates for upcoming Friday noon talks here on campus at Central Washington University. And here's a date for a special public talk that I'm giving in October in Corvallis, Oregon. Let's start with Alaska A to Z. He switches to Docky. Here we go. Alaska A to Z. I hereby declare that we will begin our 26 episodes on November 6th of 2025. And we will go Thursdays at 3 p.m. Pacific time and Saturday mornings 8 a.m. Pacific time, all through the winter of 2025 and 2026. We'll take a break off. We'll take a week off for Thanksgiving. We'll take a week off for Christmas. But otherwise, hopefully, we'll be able to go all the way through mid-February without a break. And I'm looking forward, very much looking forward, to learning with you about the great state of Alaska. How am I going to do it? I've got some ideas. I'm pretty sure I know what I want to do, but I'm going to save it until our first episode. If you're looking to do more homework before we begin our series, can I take you to my website, which is called nickzentner.com. Yeah, if you click on Alaska in the upper right-hand corner, there's a few papers there, not many. There's 4 papers, but I will continue to add there. But what I really want to show you is the Alaska Video Library. And I will continue to add videos to the Alaska Video Library. I've already been doing it. If you've been keeping up with the channel, I've had a flurry recently. I'm finding episodes from 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. And this is the raw material that I'm going to use this upcoming winter. And as I continue between now, which is late September of 2025, and school's about to start, so you're not going to hear a lot from me like this for a while. We need to get settled with the fall quarter here in Ellensburg. Between now and early November, November 6th to be precise, I'm going to be churning away with looking for inspiration, visiting with different folks, posting slideshows, doing Zoom interviews. I'm probably done with the field videos. I don't know, I might be able to get out once or twice, but the busy teaching schedule is about to start. But the point is, if you were not with us last winter with Cascades A to Z, I liked the gimmick of using a video library. And as we just continue to post individual videos of different forms, there's going to be all sorts of nuggets, both old and new, coming from these discussions and everything else. So you can be part of the fashioning of this thing together even before we start in November of 2025. Okay? Looking forward to that. Alaska A to Z, one more time, starts November 6th of 2025, and our first letter, A, will be Thursday, November 6th at 3 p.m. Pacific time. But wait, there's more. I've got an announcement for 4 Friday at noon talks happening on campus, just down the hall here in Discovery. And you can come in person if you like. You can watch live on my YouTube channel like we've done the last few years. Or you can just watch them in replay form, of course. Let's go to Docky and announce those. Fridays at noon, CWU Geology is hosting, and these talks are given to everyone in the geology department, professors, grad students, undergrads, and so on. Department seminar, in other words, in Discovery Hall, room 103. That's the auditorium that you know and love by now if you've been watching these in the past. We're going to go October 3rd, the 10th. We're going to take a Friday off, then the 24th, and Halloween. And Doug McFarland, who's a Central grad, is coming up from the Tri-Cities, Pacific Northwest National Laboratory. Trevor Waldine, some of you know from my YouTube channel, the young guy from University of South Dakota School of Mines. I made that up, by the way. I don't know if that's really their acronym. Trevor's going to be here in person. Mitch Allen, who I've not met from the Washington Geological Survey, and Emily Richard, who you have met with that one memorable video earlier this spring. Emily will be here talking as well. What are they going to be talking about, you say? Well, let's go to it. I'll just read this to you. Doug will be talking Only the Lonely, magnetic analyses of single archaeological burned rocks to address use and function. Trevor, coming from the School of Mines in South Dakota, Why is Alaska Curved? Tectonic development of the Alaskan orocline. Mitch, Washington Geological Survey. He's a landslide geoscientist. Slippery slope, steady hands, landslide hazard geologist at Washington's DNR. And finally, Emily Richard from the Washington Geological Survey also will be here in person when the fire hits the fan, post-wildfire debris flow science in Washington. So that's been put together for your enjoyment. We continue to try to build the connection that we have between our geology department here at Central and the Washington Geological Survey. And our own Jordan Carey, who many of you know from past programs, is now splitting his time between working for us, teaching for us, but also working for the Washington Geological Survey. It's been wonderful to see that new collaboration with young Jordan. Finally, can I announce that I'll be down in Corvallis, Oregon in late October. I was invited to give this year's Thomas Condon Lecture at Oregon State University, hosted by the Oregon State University Geology Department and Atmospheric whatever. Corvallis, Oregon, they're very excited to host as many people as possible. I'm doing some kind of flood basalts lecture. Where did the lava flow and how do we know? I'm not even sure I made up that title, but somebody did, and it's tied to the flood basalts, and that's fine. When will I be there in person? Wednesday, October 29th, 6 p.m. at the Lascelles Stewart Center. If you're an Oregon person or you want to visit Western Oregon and be there in person, it sounds like they're going to have this in a big auditorium, like up to 800 seats. And so I said, hey, if I announce this, I think a bunch of my folks might show up. I don't know, an extra 50, maybe even 100 folks will come that don't normally come to this thing. And they're like, that's great. We've got a big auditorium, a giant auditorium. And so Frank, who kind of set this up at Oregon State University, sent me a link. And he says, tell these folks that this is a place to go. So in other words, I'll give you this link in the description down below. If you want to go to the Oregon State University public talk given by moi, that's French, go down below right now to the text below this window. You'll see a link, and that will get you to this. The Thomas Condon Lecture page, hosted by Oregon State University, a little bit about the history of the lecture series. Here's some more detail, the talk summary. Not sure I wrote that either, but it's good. And then you can register. This is a free lecture, but they do want to keep track of how many people are planning on coming. So Frank at Oregon State said, would you please strongly encourage people who are likely going to be coming to register, basically to, I don't know, hold a couple of seats. Basically let them know how many people they don't want to be surprised, I guess. But it's free, and I guess if you register and then don't show up, no big deal. But this is the place to, what does it say? Arrive early. There's a pre-event reception beginning at 5. They're doing it on Zoom as well. So if going there in person is not for you, that's fine. But I have learned that doing the downtown lectures here in Ellensburg, many of the people who come from a long way away to attend the public lectures here, I think most of the attraction is just being in a room with fellow viewers of this channel. And that community and that vibe is so strong that that's one of the biggest pulls for people to come back year after year. I think if enough of our folks show up to this thing, it'll be the same sort of deal. But whatever, I don't know. So that's the idea. Alaska starting on November 6th. The Oregon State thing is one night only. The Condon lecture on October 29th. And then our Friday talks as well. And, you know, if you come to Ellensburg for the Friday noon talks, if you haven't seen these before, they're always in person. Like, I know this is the YouTube channel, but when we do talks, we lean hard into the fact that it needs to be an in-person experience. And so you are strongly encouraged. There's plenty of seats in our auditorium. if you want to come to one of those Friday talks in October. But I decided that we were going to be done with the Friday talks so that when we turn our clocks, I can turn my brain towards the Alaska series full bore. And even though I'll still be teaching, I'll be able to kind of leave the Friday at noon thing and get rolling thinking about Alaska. I'm thinking a lot about Alaska. I've got different plans in mind, but there's one that's particularly bold that I think I'm going to do. How about that for a teaser? I'm going to start this series with a bold open. Not just one lecture, but the whole series. I'm going to start it with a bold open, and we'll see where it goes from there. Thank you, everybody. I think I'll see you down the road, maybe not for a while. It's exciting to visit with brand new students here on campus. They're moving in. Some more returning students who have been watching the YouTube channel, have been watching the PBS stuff, and they're here specifically to study geology. I'm only mentioning it because it's more than a couple people now. Quite often, women in their 30s, even 40s. I don't know how significant, it's not statistically that valuable, I suppose, but that's been a thing lately. And so, as I've said many times over the last 5 years, if you're out there and you've always wanted to study geology, you know you'd be welcome here. And it's not just a bunch of 19-year-old bros in these classes. It's a diverse group of people, many coming back to school after years of thinking about it. Wonderful. Here's to you. I screwed that up. A toast to you. Here's to your health. You can see it's been a long time since we've done this. Here's to everyone in your community, and here's to us this coming fall. Hope to see you for some, maybe all, of those events. Thank you. I love you, and goodbye from Ellensburg, Washington, USA. Stop recording.